Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. A rough day though, and in kind of trading jargon and terminology, this is what we would call a gap and trap. What is a gap and trap if you're maybe new? Well, to just kind of break down things, on Monday the price closed right there. This morning the price actually opened up all the way there, hence the gap up. So the price opened there, and after that the first 30 minutes were pretty solid. Price got up there to think some poor souls bought right there. But then after that, it was basically the bears the remainder of the day, and back down it went. So now the question really just becomes, it's already been a gap and trap, but is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? And, you can't quite call it a pump and dump yet. I'm just making sure I'm not missing anything. So yeah, we'll go back here. But what do I mean by that? Well, that is where this area down here at 75 cents comes into play. Now, I'm not saying any of this is going to happen, but if the price were to, continue to pull back, get down to 75, and then just continue to go further and further downwards after that, what would that be doing to the price from a very literal perspective? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. And at that point, it would literally have implied that the price made a great move up, and then within the time span of just a few days has gone right back to where it was. If that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. But again, to be fair, already been a gap and trap, but something like this could happen from the bigger picture point of view, where the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. And then at that point in time, again, from the big picture perspective, that would still give you a set of lows there, and some lows right there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, you would still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So that's why I'm not going to sit here and say the chart is totally destroyed. But yeah, that 75-cent mark, very, very important level going forward. So let's see if the price can hold above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.